Oh, do we like the Berkshires? Not really. It's kind of ugly. It's really, it's not very nice. Are you kidding? It's unbelievable. It's beautiful here. Thank you. Thank you for asking. You guys are like New Zealanders. The second you get off the plane, they go, "How do you like it? How do you like it here?" This isn't your life. Do you dabble in depression? Someone twisting a knife in your back. Are you being attacked? Oh, this is a fact that you need to know. Sounds getting tough. All the roads you travel rough. Have you had enough of the old? Tired of being exposed to the cold. Tear off your stereo. Put on your headphones before you explode. So many walls that just can't be won. Even before the battle's begun. This isn't all the arms open wide. A sonic shoulder for you to cry.
Johnster Rap, Michael Jorgensen,
Pat Sansone, Glenn Kochi, Nels Klein,
Jeff Bebeck.
ladies and gentlemen, Wilco